Ke le dumedise hape ke Kamva Mvakade. Sa tsholo re tlo etsa future value annuities. Now ntho nngwe tla re tsebe gore annuity e bolela eng ne. So ntho e tla re tsebe ka annuity gore annuities, a number of equal payments made at regular intervals for a certain amount of time. An annuity is subject to the rate of interest. Ka mantswe a mang ska ha re bona mona it's what? Number of equal payments made at regular interval. Ka mantswe a mang equal payments maybe ka tla be re di etsa jwang re patala ka kgwedi le kgwedi kapa re patala ka 3 months kapa re patala ka di half yearly ka di 6 months after 6 months wa patala after 6 months wa patala half yearly ya di 3 months yona ke quarterly or tla patala ka selemo. So but a number of equal payment at a regular interval ke yona eo di called. If re tla be re patala 200 tla patala 200 ka kgwedi, if o patala 500 tla patala 500 ka kgwedi. Equal payments, regular interval for a certain number of time. If you tla ma patala for 5 years, then o tla patala kgwedi le kgwedi 500 for 5 years. Ka patala ka 3 months ka quarter o patale 500 for yona 5 years yona eo. So yona ntho annuity ina le interest rate. So tla bo gaina interest mo. So ke re tsa investment. Ha re investor re sa be tšhelete bankeng kaofela yona ma re etsang re kenya kgwedi le kgwedi. Good. Ha re shebe number 1 future value annuities. Future value annuities ke regular equal deposit payments are made into a savings account or an investment fund reinvestor to provide an accumulated amount at the end of the time period. Ka mantswe a mang re batla tšhelete ya rona e be bokaleile e le ngata after boma 5 years ha nako eo e fela eo. The amount accumulating in the fund earns compound interest at a certain rate. So ka mantswe a mang ithola eng compound interest at a certain rate. So formula e re sebedisang o calculator eng future value ke yona in F for future value x 1 plus I all to the exponent n minus 1 all over I. So di bolela into tseo. F ya na rona yang ke eng ke the amount accumulated after a certain period of time. Ka ke tšhelete rona e ka be re thola after 5 years. If re tla ntse re kenya tšhelete kgwedi le kgwedi for 5 years. X inana equal deposit or payments made at a regular interval. Ka matse ke tšhelete ntse re kenya kgwedi le kgwedi kapa e re kenyang quarter le quarter kapa e re kenyang half yearly. E tla dependa ka eng, e tla dependa ka interval ya rona. I, the effective interest rate e mona ke iphetile ma ke interest rate. N ke number of payments. N has a number of years guys ne ke number of payments deposit made into the account. Number of payments is a number of years. Eo ke kopa re shebisise hantle ne. Good. Be re tla ka ho number of payment. Ona le ntho nngwe tlamehang re utlwisise ka eng ka number of payment. Ha re bua ka number of payment o gona ho etsa go lo bula what to call a savings account. Ha re ka January o ya ning banking o ya ka di 5 tsa January ke tsa mhlala. Ha o fika di 5 tsa January o bo ke tlo kenya 500 kgwedi le kgwedi. Mane ke kopa o etsang ne ke kopa hle ke qale ke kenye 500 eo. So that one ke eng ke immediately. So we can say immediately ka mantswe a mang number of payments tsa selemong se for 5 years eo di tlo ba pele ka payment e 1. Why? Hobane ka January o patetse ha o no fitla re ke ile ka di 5 tsa January. Ka di 5 o kentse eng o kentse 500. Ha kgwedi fela hape ya January yona January eo o kenya 500 and then ka February fela o kenya 500. Ha March fela o kenya 500. So ntho e re jwetsang kgweding yana pele yana ya January o entseng o kentse payment tse pedi. So that's why re etsang re tsang plus 1. But ha re bua ka immediately ha e apply fela ho dikgwedi. If ka mantswe a mang o tlo etsa the regular payments tsa di 500 every 3 months, ayer eo ke eng ke quarterly. Ma if we kenya immediately ka mantswe a mang di kota tsa ha le tsona tlo kae di tlo ba pele ka payment e feng ka payment A1 ka utlwana. Be re tla mona be re if after 1 month or term, if o lo butsi o ya bankeng o lo bula savings account ka di 5 tsa January mara o bo kenya what to call shelter how ha kgwedi e fela ya January, meaning o kentse ha i1 ka mantswe ma harena n+1 n salary ile n. So mo wa kitse 1 month le term inana ke go fela go understand ma ka term ga tsa term tsa rona interval ya rona e ka nna ba monthly, quarterly or half yearly, it depends. So if ile quarterly and they say after 3 months, it means ka mantswe mang n tlo lweng ile n because ntho tsa rona interest ya rona ke jwang e quarterly. But if interest ya rona ile half yearly and re tlo kenya tšhelete ya rona half yearly, meaning it ba after 6 months because half yearly ke 6 months, so n ntse le ka ntse ile n ma bona. So term eo e tla dependa ka gore o kenya tšhelete ka interval efeng le interest ya go ke interval efeng. Good. So ha re tse mhlala example 1 ba re Gr12 decides to start saving money for the future. At the end of each month, she deposits 900 into an account at AAS Mutual Bank, which earns 8.25% interest per annum compounded monthly. Determine the balance of Gr12's amount after 29 years. So come on to man Gr12 kenya kae 900 each month at the end of each month. Come on to man ha etsa immediately. So solution ya ka mona ke tlo reng ke tlo zama ke okay e re ke x ra ke bokae ke 900 ke yona a ipatalang jwang regular ayer. And now interest rate e ba mofileng yona ke bokae ke 8.25%. So 8.25% eo re tlo tlameha re etseng re ise ho di decimals ka mantswe ma tlo ba 8.25 divided by 100 it tlo ba 0.08 tlo ba 0.0825 all over 12. Why 12? Because they say it compounded monthly. Aya ke shota ka n ya ka ke bokae ka mantswe mang it tlo ba 29 years, 29 multiply by 12. So ke batla go tseba gore dikgwedi tse ka 29 years ke tse kae. So that's why ke multiply ka 12 ke re 29 multiply by 12 ka mantswe tlo ba 348 wa bona. So ke batla jwale ke batla the future value ke yona e ke senang yona mo future value. So ke thola jwang he taba eo ya future value. Formula ya rona ya future value e reng ke nana mona. So formula ina na ga e fuwa ho formula sheet ka morao ne. So ke tlo ngola yona e. So e tlo ba ke FV, which is the future value, x here 1 plus I to the exponent n minus 1 close bracket all over I. So x ra ke bokae? X ra ke 900. You 900 1 plus interest 0.0825 divided by 12. Payments tsa di kae? D348 minus 1. Here all over what? The interest rate 0.0825 divided by 12. So mona ke batla eng ke fumana answer ya. So ke tlo re 900 into 1 plus 0,0825 divided by 12 to the exponent 348 minus 1 close bracket 0,0825 divided by 12 ke yona e to ke kentse mo so ke equal to ke thole kae ke thole e tlo ba ke kentse kae mo 900 348 ka mantswe mang equal to answer ka tlo ba it will be 0.06. So it will be 1,289,665,006 ke yona he tšhelete ya tlo ifumanang tsiza after 29 years ha patala bokae ha patala ntse bea 900 ka ga savings account ya hae ka ga savings account ya hae ha re fitile ho re etse example 2 e re tshwaretseng ha re utlwe he ho example 2 re bua ka mang re bua ka Simon aya ho to Simon o tsalang ka ena re share ho to Simon starts to save for his retirement. He opens an investment account and immediately deposits 800 into the account, which earns 12.5% per annum, compounded monthly. Aye. Thereafter, he deposits 800 at the end of each month for 20 years. What is the value of his retirement savings at the end of 20-year period? So, skani ki chulo mana okay rasheva okay. Ubuting he opens an investment account and immediately deposits how much? Deposits 800 into the account. So kamanzo ma go dia pele for that immediate go dinya pele kamanzo ma o kentse habedi man. Immediately. So kamanzo ma re tlore n ya rona re tlo batla go ditsa kae tsa 20 years a year cause ke monthly and we kenya 800 per annum component the deposit at the end of each month in monthly. So re tlo batla 20 times 12 berere plus 1. Why plus 1? Because of that immediate kgoding ya pele o kentse tšhelete habedi. So it will be 20 multiplied by 12 plus 1. It will be 241. Re na le x o kenya bokae o kenya 800 interest rate ya rona ke bokae it will be 12.5 divided by 100. So e verify bokae e verify 0.125 divided by 12 because it's compounded monthly. So if nil quarterly re tlo nya 4, if nil half yearly re tlo divide by 2. Mara be re batla eng be re batla di half yearly man be re batla di quarter ka 20 years be re plus 1. So but now ke eng ke monthly. So re batluwa eng jwale re batluwa the future value ha rena yona. So future value ya rona so re tlo re future value ile kana le x 1 plus I to the exponent n minus 1 all over I. So keep guys chilta kenya 800 1 plus 0.125 all over 12 exponent 241 minus 1 all over 0.0 125 divided by 12. So mona na re etsang multiplier ke ntho e kaofela calculating ya rona 800 into 1 plus 0.125 divided by 12 all to the exponent 241 minus 1 you have 0.125 divided by 12 equals to, so ke e tšhelete ka he it was 856,415,66. So all in all it was 856,415,66. So ke tšhelete ya mang? Ke tšhelete ya Simon. Ke tšhelete ya Simoni. Tšhelete ya Simoni after 20 years. If I had a payment immediately. Kutela man or n plus 1. Get a example 2. Example 3. Example 3. I will share more example 3. Zerelo feature value annuities. So va bua ka mang hona jwale re tla be re bua ka Michelle. Ya go he. Michelle wishes to start saving for her retirement. She estimates that she will need 4 million in order to retire comfortably. She invests 5,000 a month at an interest rate of 13% per annum, compounded monthly. How many years will he have to wait before she retires? How to buy? She invests what to call 5,000 a month at an interest rate of 13% per annum, compounded monthly. Okay, dear Twana, 5,000 a month linked to the compounding period. So re batla mo re batla n. So ka mantswe mang harena n. But re shebe re na leng re fuwe interest rate it over 0.13 divided by 12, and we know the future value is how much? The future value is 4 million. Is 4 million, and then re tseba le monthly deposits o tlo kenya 5,000 every month. 5,000 every month. So we're looking for n. So re tota ya formula ya rona ya future value re v ile kana le x 1 plus I to the exponent n minus 1 all over I. So ke etse jwang ke substitute, so ke tla substitute ka mo ke tla substitute ka yona 4 million mona ke kenya ka 5,000 mona ya 1 plus 0.13 divided by 12 all over n re batana le yona n mo minus 1 all over 0.13 divided by 12. So no ke tsa maths, so ke tlo cross multiply mo ina ye kwa here, so aya kwa ke tlo bana le 4 million 0.13 divided by 12 it tlo kana le kae le 5,000 1 plus 0.13 divided by 12 to the exponent n minus 1. And then also we divide both sides ka divide both sides ka 5,000. Divide up ka 5,000. So a cancel ya. E cancel eo ha re bona hore ntwe nna tla fa ka ina na re 4 million multiply by 0.13 divided by 12 all over 5,000 thola 26 over 3 mo ntho ena ka ofela fa kae 26 over 3. Now 26 over 3 re setse ka nka mo re setse ka 1 plus 0.13 divided by 12 to the exponent n minus 1. So it transpose ntho ena ke tlisa ka mona. So it will be 26 over 3 minus plus 1. You have 29 over 3. So it will be 26 over 3 plus 1. Here. Illegally 1 plus 0.13 divided by 12 to the exponent n. So it will be 29 over 3 is equal to 1 plus 0.13 divided by 12 all to the exponent n. So after we fita mona here ke mo re tlo apply the logs, what we know about logs. So we know that n is going to come down. It over this is going to be n is equal to log b is again 1 plus 0.13 divided by 12. Here you are 29 over 3. So our answer then for n, if we punch this on our calculator, it over log. Here what do I have? I have 1 plus 0.13 divided by 12. Those bracket, and then there I have 29. There I have 29 over 3. It will be 210,5. So here then she will have to wait 210 and half month here. So it's 210 months and 15 days, around 15 days. So that is the period she will have to wait, so that or they said after how many years. Then we'll have to do what? Let me just write it here, guys. Sorry for that. Let me just write it here. So we are going to divide this by how much? By 12. 210 divided by 12, so that we get the number of what? The number of years. So that will be what? That will be in years. That will be 210,55 divided by 12. Now what do we get? We get 17,54. 17,54. Okay, so which is how much? So we're gonna do what? This is going to be n it over 17 years. Okay, so now I'm trying to get this 54 is how many? It's how many months? So I'm gonna say here minus 17. Then I'll be left with 0.54. Then I'm multiplying that by 12. I can multiply, I got 12, it over 6.5. So it over 17 years and 6 months. And 6 months. 17 years and 6 months. So the number of years, because here they say how many years will they have to wait before she retires. So that's how we get it. Let us look into example, the last example, example 4. Example 4. Example 4. Barry Sam starts saving money in a unit trust fund. He immediately deposits 1,000. Immediately deposits 1,200 into the fund. Thereafter, at the end of each month, he deposits 1,200 into the fund and continues to do this for the 5 years. Interest is 18% per annum compounded monthly. Calculate the future value of his investment at the end of the 5-year period. Marman Beitze, he immediately deposits. And once you deposit immediately, come on, so my number of payments is gonna diba pele ka 1. So are yes kantsere qadile ka man, the number of payments it will be 5 multiplied by 12 plus 1. So it will be 5 times 12 is 60 plus 1 you have 61. The number of payments is that it's more. And then rebata interest rate keep 18 0.18 divide by 12 ke monthly. So the example tse ke kgethileng ka ofela mona di sebetsa ka monthly. Mare tla mo tsebo gore ona le mo kgona setsa go di quarterly, re sebetsa ka bo di half yearly happy. So x mona na o patala kae? O patala 1,200. Ayo ka kgwedi. So re batluwa future value ke nyo ke a ya pele mona na a ya rona mona. So ya rona re tlo re future value ke x 1 plus I to the exponent n minus 1 all over I. So berereng here berere okay patala kae 1,200 berere 1 plus 0.18 divide by 12 to the exponent 61 minus 1 all over interest I give guy 0.18 divide by 12. So mo re here re fela equals to re kenya calculating le jwalo re 1,200 1 plus 0.18 divided by 12 to the exponent 61 minus 1 0.18 divided by 12. So key into yenze mo answer gonna give kai answer gonna give 118,389 comma 45. So ke yona e ya gona mo. So ha go be here babare Simon leaves his money in the fund to grow for 2 years without making any further payments of 1,200. The interest rate changes to 10% per annum compounded quarterly. Calculate the value of his investment after the 2-year period. Okay, right. So mona re B. So for B, what happened is for Arita timeline re be man ho kae ho 5 years. In terms of years here. In terms of years. Ne? This was when T1, T2, T3, T4. Here, that's how we can multiply 4. So these are monthly deposit between the years. Okay. So for 5 years, we used the future value. Here we are now at this point more. So Babaring Simon leaves his money to a fund to go for 2 years without making any further, meaning Retobanale, Timang, T6 and T7. This is in terms of what? In terms of years. But in very bonang happy mo there is a change of what? There is a change of interest. Come on, my interest out more. Keep guy 0.18 divided by 12. Interest rate da rona mo. Aya. Jwanong ho tloa mo ho tla ka mo interest e change se le kae 10%, 0.1 divided by quarterly divided by 4 quarterly. For nako kae for 2 years. So tšhelete ya rona e nentse re kenya mo e nentse kena ka kgwedi le kgwedi. Ha re fitla mo, how much do we have here? So at this point mo re na le kae tšhelete re na le yona e tšhelete e ke ena hona mo 5 years in ena. My one. So ka mantswe mang ha re sa etsa the monthly what you call deposits. So ntho tla mneng re yetse jwanong hona mona ko re thole hore ha go disa tšhelete eo ho ya pele e tlo re fa kae. So ke enana ka interest eng ya quarterly ke nang quarterly. So we're gonna use this formula. A is equal to P1 plus I to the exponent n. So come on, n rona in this case keep guy n rona re tlo multiply it over 2 years multiply by 4 ke quarter year. So come on, tšhelete ya rona e mo ke ga ngola 389,45 garing 1 plus interest ya rona ke ka jwalo 10% compound and quarterly 0.1 divided by by 4. For how many years? 2 years. So in these 2 years, how many quarters do we have? Karaslimo, canal quarter guy, canal 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, sorry, 4. Because it's 3, 6, 9, 12. Ne? 4 quarters. So here, retoring 2 multiplied by what? 2 multiplied by 4. So in 2 years, we're going to have 8 quarters. So with that, then reta calculating our answer 1 plus 0.1 divided by 4 all to the exponent 2 multiplied by 4, because kara 2 years rena di quarter tse kae rena le quarter tse 8. So that's why you 2 multiplied by 4 if 8. So it will be 144,246,04. So this is we do what to call, this is how we do what to gain yon into future value. Maro hopole ha tšhelete fela e dula fela bankeng se re lata ka efeng se re lata ka yana accumulated amount ga sa sebisa ena ya di annuity. Ya di annuity re tseo etsalang o kenya tšhelete at a regular interval, equal payments at a regular interval. Re bule jwalo ke nana bathong from honna ke tla be se ke qetile. I hope hore le understandile mosebetsing ona wa ka. So ne ke kopaletseng le subscribe le like le share le di video tsenana se re tla kopana ka video e tlang mo ke tla be ke presenta the present value annuities. Ke a leboha.